but the one that came highly recommended and also was probably the best bang for your buck.
I gotta carry him.
What's up guys, welcome to the vlog. It is someday, you guys are gonna see this another day. It's gonna be great. Jefe's over there all stressed out. My boy Christian's out here working.
That was the most vague intro ever.
Vagueness? Hey, vagueness makes the big bucks, okay? What's up, dude? How are you?
Look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him. All right.
So handsome you are.
Let's do this.
Let's do this. Here, Dan, you wanna hold this and explain what this is?
Yeah. All right, so I told you guys I wanna wrap the truck in the rose gold. So what I did is I ordered a couple different brands, but the one that came highly recommended and also was probably the best bang for your buck was the Vivid Rose Gold. I watch CK Wraps. If you guys are familiar with CK Wraps, go watch his channel. He has a good YouTube channel revolving around car wraps as well, but he's all about Vivid. So at this point, I really want to put it to the test because personally, the first couple times I used Vivid, I wasn't happy with it. But I don't want to discredit the brand, and I also want to listen to CK, somebody who I admire as a rapper, and just test the material a little bit more thoroughly. So we ordered their Rose Gold. I'm gonna put it on my old truck, the Project Horror truck. I'm gonna put it on there because I wanna show you guys, I'm gonna let it sit in the sun. I'll tell you about a quick experience that we had. One time we ordered some rose gold, or our customer brought us some rose gold. We attempted to install it, we put it on, we put it outside in the sun, and within like 48 hours, the rose gold was gone. It just turned chrome. And it was a poor install, just a really bad vinyl. But we were just testing it. I wanna test this one. I wanna see if it does the same. So we're gonna install it on the truck. Let's put the vinyl to the test. What are your initial thoughts when you feel the material?
It's not bad. Definitely has a weird air release pattern.
It's got that chrome on the back. We're gonna remove the cap. So this is like the protective layer. It really, I think it's more for like protecting during shipping and all that.
You okay?
Got this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, let's kind of glass it a little bit so we can get it in place. That's super tacky.
Okay. Here. Now let's release tack reducer. How's the air release?
The air release is really good. The air's traveling through without issue. If you guys didn't notice, we're spraying it down with a quick detailer. Obviously you can't get this on the adhesive side, but what we're doing here is we're just eliminating some of the scratches. So it's only on the top side, definitely not on the adhesive. But with chrome, I know that usually in the past what we experienced is it gets scratched really easily. So we're using the premium detailer. I guess what would we do?
So basically what you're doing is you're creating a protective layer with the lubrication.
Lubing it up?
Yeah, so that's just gonna avoid any type of scratching.
How you liking look so far, Daniel?
Personally, love the look, and this is exactly what I'm going for. If you guys watch like 1 or 2 vlogs back, we're talking about using this on the Titan XD, not this truck, but I am putting it on this truck to test it out for durability. So like I said, this truck sits outside in the sun, obviously. See the hood? Project Horror truck takes a little bit of a beating. So with that said, we're gonna put this on here. I wanna test the adhesive. I wanna go into the edges. I wanna get it tucked all the way around. Let this thing sit in the heat for a few weeks. Before I actually wrap my whole truck in it, I wanna make sure that it's gonna work out. So I'll keep you guys updated on it. So I want to give you my first impressions of Vivid's SP Conform Chrome is what we used. As far as the install goes, it was actually really, really easy. You know, it didn't take much longer than what a normal material would be, satin or gloss. And to give you guys a little bit further knowledge on what I'm talking about is typically chrome materials are harder to install. So we were kind of like already thinking that was going to be the case. It really wasn't. This chrome was actually very easy to install. Just me and Johnnee did it for the most part. I will say that we didn't go in and do what we normally do. Headlights, taillights. We cleaned up the panel minimally, but like I said, we're just testing the film. I wanna see how it holds up in the sun. I wanna see if it pulls back. I wanna see if it discolors. The truck did have a dent right here, so all the way across there's a dent, so it looks a little warped. But as far as the finish goes, it's really nice. You can actually see the reflection of the premium logo. So to give you guys an idea, the mirror finish, it's really, really nice. Some of the edges here. This one's not perfect, and I would say that this is more of me learning the material, so as I get better with it, I did notice that it does scratch up a tad bit. This is also something that I think I can get better with during the install process. If you look here, this is probably where the worst of the scratches were. Right there. Well, I think that's actually dirt under the panel. Like I said, we were just testing. It wasn't a perfect install. This was more so to find out if I like the color of the material, also to test durability. First impressions, I think it looks really cool. It was not hard to install. So Vivid, I think we might be giving you guys a chance. We might be wrapping the whole truck, not this one, and we might be wrapping the whole Titan XD in that color. So like I said, just testing. Vivid, thank you guys so much. I do like the material, and let's just see how it goes. We'll keep you guys updated maybe in the next week. We'll just show you what it looks like. All right, so back on the fender. Things changed in a week. When I was laying it, I was kind of falling in love with the color, and the more that I drove by it and I pulled up this morning, I looked at it, I was like, I don't like that color. Not discrediting the film, because the film did hold up pretty well. I do see a little bit of peeling right here. You can see that starting to peel up. Things like that. I mean, chrome is known to be hard to lay, and I'm not going to say that we went in and did a thorough install on this. We could have went further with it, so I won't blame the material for that, but it is starting to lift. Had it been a regular film, that wouldn't have happened. There is some different techniques that need to be done with chrome. All in all, I think it's a decent material. I'm not in love with the color. I'm not as in love as I thought I was, so I will not be wrapping that guy in that color. I don't know, what do you guys think? I do want to get started on the truck wrap ASAP. I have this for a few days. So my wife just bought a new car, and she has this sitting. I'm gonna have this probably for, until I sell this. If anybody wants to buy this car, 25K, it's yours. You could have it. That's a shameless plug right there. Brand new Accord. I'm gonna be driving this around for probably the next week or two until I get this thing sold. But what that means is now I can leave this truck here, tear it down, and get on the wrap. So comment below, let me know what color to wrap the truck. Personally, matte gray or matte army green is what I want to do. I want it to look like a little war machine, like a tank, something like that. We'll see you guys in the next vlog. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button. 200,000 subscriber giveaway coming soon. We're giving away car wraps, so all you got to do is subscribe. Go to the bottom of the description, go to the link in the description, sign up for the giveaway, and you're entered. We'll see you guys in the next vlog.